Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you. Dubai once again battled severe weather as heavy rain slashed the city, leading to flooded roads, cancelled flights and closed schools and offices. Over a dozen flights have been cancelled and schools and offices remain closed in Dubai as heavy rains and floods wreak havoc in the city. Gulf countries' officials had already asked the schools and universities to implement distance learning and advised employees to switch to remote work since May 1, that is on Wednesday, as per the forecast. Weeks after the United Arab Emirates witnessed a record-breaking storm, the oil-rich country once again witnessed heavy rains and floods on Thursday, that is on May 2. The officials also issued an orange alert for the coming days. The unsettled weather has led to the cancellation of around 13 flights and prompted the closure of schools and offices across the Gulf country. On Wednesday, UAE's National Emergency Crisis and Disaster Management Authority, also known as the NCEMA, ramped up readiness and preparedness levels of the national system to deal with the situation, reported a news agency. The officials also said that while these rains are expected to be less severe than last month's downpour, people have been asked to be cautious. On Thursday, little traffic was seen on Dubai's typically busy 6-lane highways, with some cars reportedly abandoned on the flooded roads. A report citing officials from the UAE's National Center of Meteorology said that country has been witnessing heavy rain since midnight, with showers and lightning observed in Dubai since around 2:35 a.m. as per the local time. Officials at the NCEMA forecasted moderate to heavy rainfall across the several parts of the country on Thursday, accompanied by lightning, thunder and small hailstones concentrated in the western regions on the coast and in some of the eastern areas of Dubai. The unstable weather would reportedly continue to affect residents till May 3rd, that is today on Friday, according to the officials. The public has been asked to stay away from these areas and adhere to safety standards and guidelines to avoid mountainous deserts and coastal areas. The ministry, in coordination with the NCEMA, also decided to close all roads leading to the areas prone to flash floods, water accumulations and dams during the weather conditions. The recent downpour comes less than a month after the Gulf country was brought to a standstill after a torrential rains brought severe flooding which disrupted air traffic in Dubai and trapped residents in traffic in their offices and homes. On April 14 and 15, heavy rains battered the Arabian Peninsula, with Dubai experiencing the heaviest rains on record since 1949. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.